Ka Dorbar Mang Tymgka jong ka ïingDorbar Thawaiñ ka Jylla Meghalaya ya ka basyan kan Sdang no nadu ka khat en reu Tarik ubenai Rymphang bat kan yai petang hadu ka arpenyau Tarik ubenai Rymphang ya ka balabu ya ka jingtmu na ka benta ka jingyamir jingmut ka bakongsan halar ki añ bat ka Mang Tymgka hapo ka Jylla Shan ka Dorbar kan pli lembada ka jingkran lam khamat jong ulat bat ka babut ya ka jingyait lenti jong ka sorkar na ka benta usnam banwan ka jingilang kan long ship house ngi lenter ka bakan thop ya lai sngi ka bala IT karpang na ka banta ki kam jong ki private member business but henyau sngi na ka banta ki kam jong ka sorkar Menteri ramba ka Jylla konrat ke sama obabat ru ya ka tanat pla Tymgka jong ka Jylla labu ru banwan ra ya ka Mang Tymgka jong ka Jylla ha ka arpeu Tarik ubenai Rymphang.
We have conducted the meeting of the Business Advisory Committee to discuss about the coming budget session, and we have decided that budget session will be commencing from 16th February, which is Monday, and we'll have 10 working days, and which will end on 27th February 2026.
How many number of private members?
We have, I think, 3 private members business, and the rest are all government business.
When will be the budget presented?
The budget presentation will take place on 20th February 2026, which is Friday.
There are always concerns about the shortage of time. Always it comes up. So, are there any measures to ensure that?
Yes, we have extended early. That's why we are having 10 working days, out of which 7 days have been allotted for government business and 3 days for private members business. And we have also decided that we have mentioned here we will extend the time if required, and we have also made provisions like on the day which we will take up the voting on supplementary demands. We will go up to 3 p.m. in the evening, and if required, we will extend the time.
Conducting of the session is early this year.
Sorry?
Compared to previous years.
Yes.
The reason for the session?
No, we are not preponing.
Session.
Yeah, we are not preponing nor because we are having it because it is we have decided, and we were also advised by the government to start the budget session a little early. It could be one of the reasons, yes. Works have been completed. As you can see, we have so the people have. I mean, you can see from outside it is completed, but the interior works are still going on, and we have the interiors includes all those audiovisual lines and CCTV cameras. Everything are involved in it, so it takes time because it involves a lot of wiring and conduiting all those cables, so it takes time. I'm going to see today, so I will not be able to tell you now. So I'm going to visit later today in the later part of
the June deadline starts.
Yes, we're trying our best to do it. And we are going to have a meeting very soon of the High Power Committee there in the site itself.
One more issue of the status of the case, the election.
Yes, we have given our reply. So we are also waiting for the decision which will be given by the Honorable High Court.
You have no problem with it.
I'm very sorry.
Your plan is very clear.
Yes, sir.
But legally,
yes, we have done everything to our understanding, we have done our best to justify our actions, and we stand by it.